Good morning, my dear children. I hope you all are fine and safe at home. In the last class, we have learned about the poem Walking. I hope you understood the lesson. Today, we are going to learn the exercise of lesson 13, learning grammar. In this lesson, we are going to learn about interjection. Okay, in this lesson we are going to learn about interjection. Interjection means our expression. Okay, if we have a suspense, how we will react? Wow! If it is a beautiful flower, if we see, wow, how it is beautiful. And if you have any shock, unexpected things, if anything happened, that time how could we react? So that time we are using interjections. Okay, so here interjections means interjections are words that show strong feelings or emotions. Yes, when we are happy, that time we are using another word of interjections. When we are sad, that time we are show another expressions. Yes, no? So here the interjection have a connectivity of feelings and happiness, emotional. Okay, for happiness and sadness, both we have a emotional. If we have so happy, we are laughed a lot. If unexpected things like a surprise, we should not unexpected it will happen like that. But it happened, no, that time how could we react? Okay, so interjection means a connectivity with the feelings and emotional. So here they are having some words. See, read the following words. So these words we are using for interjections to show our expression, to react our situation. Okay, halt, ho, hare, ha, alas, well done, be quiet, good heavens. Okay, so these are interjection. So in which situation we are going to use this word, or emotional or happiness, that we are going to learn in this lesson. Choose and write in the blank space the feelings expressed in the following sentence. Okay, so here they give a sentence and here they give a words. So first we read the sentence. According to the sentence we are going to choose the word according to the situation, whether happiness or sadness. Okay, so the first one is hurry, I have won. Hurry, I have won. So for that, which? Joy. So hurry, I have won. Okay, that means I have won my pencil or bag. And so that joy. And second one, oh, what a dirty trick. Oh, what a dirty trick. Okay, for that, hurted. If someone is among your friends or in your classmates, someone is having a dirty shirt or pant, skirt or shirt. Okay, while you look at them, how much dirty dress he is wearing. Yes, no. If we are telling like that in front of others, they feel hurted, no? They feel hurted. They feel sad. Yes, no. So that is hurted. And third, alas, he is dead. So dead means if any person's dead, that time how we are, it is happiness or sadness. It is sorrow. Sadness, you know, if anyone dead, our neighbors or relatives, yes, you know, someone is a celebrity dead, so we feel, huh? Yes, you know, so we react according to the situation. So how we react when the happiness comes. Okay, so how we react when the sad thing happen. What a lovely picture. What a lovely picture it is. if someone is drawing or parrot or flower or anything else, how could we, wow, what a beauty picture you are drawing. Yes, no? So what a lovely picture. If we saw any family movies or comedy movies, we could say, wow, what a superb movie it is. Yes, no? So for that, it is surprise. Yes, no? We should not expect that picture like this, the movie will be like this, but unexpected, if anything happens, anything happened, that is surprise. Hush, the baby is sleeping. So we would like to meet any baby. Yes, no? Our relatives babies, our friend circles, or your cousin brother sister, if you have small cousin brother sisters, do you want to see them? When you reach their house, if they are sleeping or if they are not in the house, how could you feel? Cheh, he is not here, she is not here, no? So that time, attention. So you are missing them. Yes, no? So their attention is missing, the person is missing. So that. So once again, how we are using, in which situation we have to use that words. So the first one is, I have more, that is joy. I have my own cycle, I have my own pen, I have my own bag. So for that, joy, it is happiness. If we have one, if for example in your house you don't have a car, your father purchased for you new car, that is my joy, happiness, no? So what a dirty trick. If you in your home also, in your room or your drawing room, if it is dirty, when your mom and come, cheh, the room is too dirty, what you did, it is not neat and tidy. So that time hurted. If your mom scolded you, you feel hurted, no? So alas, he is dead. So if we hears if someone is dead, then we feel very sad, sorrow. What a lovely picture. Yes, no? If you're drawing, okay, you have drawing competition. While you are drawing, your teacher come and, wow, what a fantastic picture, what a beautiful picture. So that is surprise, no? You could not expect it. Your drawing is good, but your teachers appreciate you. That time you feel that is surprise. You could not expect whether your teacher will appreciate you, but it could happen that time. It is surprise for you. And hush, the baby is sleeping. I told you, no, do you want to meet your cousin brother or sisters? That time they are not in the home. So how could you feel? Attention. So the next exercise, given below are some adjectives, read them and complete the table. So here we have a adjective table. So positive, okay, positive we have. So we are going to write comparative degree and superlative degree. So first one is fast, second one is poor, third one is long, fourth one is strong, and fifth one is young. First one done for us, faster and fastest. So comparative degree we are using ER for the adjective, and superlative EST we are using. And likewise we are going to write remaining 4 adjectives. So poor, okay, poor, poorest, long, longer, longest, strong, stronger, and strongest, young, younger, and youngest. Yes, now dear children, we have 5 adjectives. Okay, so positive, comparative, and superlative. Fast means I can walk fast, I can run fast, I can read fast, I can eat fast. Okay, and poor means A long means I have long pencil, I have long table, I have long bag. Okay, and strong means I have, okay, my body is very strong. I have a strong ball, I have a strong stick. Young, okay, my brother is younger than me, my sister is younger than me. And learn to speak and listen. Learn to speak and listen. Here we have an activity. Speak out the activities going on in the scene with the help of clues given below. Yes, my dear children, see the picture. So now we are going to do activity. We are going to speak about this picture. Okay, so what they are doing, what happened in the picture. You just look at the picture, my dear children. What is visible in this? Yes, there are 3 birds are there. 2 birds are sitting on the branch, 1 bird is flying, and 1 man is driving tractor, and what pump set watering, and there are farmer. Okay, yes, no, you can see, no. So here we are going to talk about, there are 4 farmers, they are plugging. Okay, here he is plugging, they are farming something. Okay, and 2 birds are sitting on the tree, and 1 birds are flying, and pump set they are watering. So now they are farming for us. Yes, na? Without farming we cannot eat anything else. We cannot get rice, we cannot get vegetable. Okay, we cannot get anything else without farming. Okay, and before farming, what we have to do? We have to do? We have to flagging. So he is flagging another side. Okay, so for if we want to flagging, what we have to do? First we have to have a boundary all the fields, and we have to fill the water the help of pump set watering. And then we have to flagging. If it is good condition, then we are going to do farming. Okay, understood now? So you just see the picture and you can talk more. And then next, yes, my dear children, I hope you understand what is the injection. Okay, what is the interjection, and we learn adjectives also. Some of the adjective words we learned, and we have a good activities in this lesson. I hope you understood the lessons and exercise. Thank you and have a nice day.